What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Ned from Nev's Tech Bits. About 2 years ago, these fingerlings, were super popular during the holiday season, and it was one of those things I was always really interested in exactly how they work. So you get the switch here. They hang off your finger, they hang upside down, and they have sensors. I want to get into this and see what kind of sensors they got. So, I was told they react to snaps. They react to the head. Then you're supposed to put them on your fingers and they chill out there and they blink and stuff and all that fun stuff. Apparently, they even know if you blow on them. So I see holes in the nose. I bet that's where one particular sensor is. So let's tear this sucker down and feed him to the savage Sharkticons. What do you say, ladies and gentlemen? We'll do it the humane way first. We'll take out the batteries. So yeah, about 2 years ago, these things were all over the place. You couldn't even keep them in stock because during the holiday season, everybody wanted them. I can see the allure of them. I can see why children like them so much, because they just chill it on your finger, and they seem to be somewhat pets, or they just chill out there and they bark away. The popular ones are the monkeys, of course. I think most of what I'm interested in is going to be in the head, actually. Yeah, the monkeys were the popular ones, but I guess they started making like raptor ones too, just to make the boys happy. Get that other market, the boys. Well, heck, for all I know, the boys like the monkeys too, but it seemed like it was mostly for girls. But I can understand why they would want to get into the market for the males. Huh. That does not want to open for me. I'm going to have to get physical. Alright, so definitely a lot of clips on there. All there is coming up to the top is that. Oh, that's neat. Okay, so yeah, the speaker, just like I thought it'd be, in the bottom of the neck. Sensor for the mouth, eyes. Let's get the batteries back in here. Nope, I guess it was a little bit too forceful with that one. Oh, that board's a lot more interesting than I thought it would be. There's the switch. See eyes, little motor. (2017). Yes, there's not really anything on the bottom half, so that's just about it. We got a motherboard and some mechanics on the top, and nothing else much going on here. It's still interesting. Not seeing these sensors everybody's talking about. That was the big thing. Maybe these are supposed to be some kind of sensor. Well, that's it for me. Never from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff, folks. Always appreciated. And have a good one.